Alright guys, we got this Grand Cherokee. It's like a 2012 model. Now the fella's coming over here in a second. I know we're gonna start chit-chatting about it. Language may get a little out of hand, so we have to bleep out a lot of stuff, but this is a poorly maintained vehicles, guys. Okay, poorly, very poorly. In fact, you know, the PCV valve, this is nothing but, I don't have any gloves on, but major sludge buildup in there. That is a cake pound of sludge inside of there. All right, like I said, I don't have any gloves on, so I don't want to dig too deep, but we got ticking over here, as you can see. Yes, this camshaft is wore out, this lobe is wore out, and that rocker is broken. But forget the ticking noise. It came in ticking and misfiring. We got a misfire over here. We got an exhaust valve leak down. Yes, it's leaked down past the exhaust valve in cylinder 4, I want to say. So heavily sludged. Where's the valve cover? I want to look inside the valve covers. But she started changing oil at the end of its duration, guys. Yes, you can see, man, this is terrible. Y'all see all that sludge build up? I've seen worse, but God, I need some gloves on. But guys, you can't keep a decent running car like this. Now, the 3.6 already have a bad image, guys. So to compound the situation by not changing your oil, some guys do it every 5,000, some guys do it every 3. I don't know. Everybody has a different strategy on how often they change their oil, but I'm not sure what this person was, and I don't want to put on blast or show the car or anything like that. Just, I guess I want to leave with you guys is you have to properly maintain your engine by way of changing your oil on time. Okay. Once he pulled this, he knew what to expect once the valve covers came off. But of course, y'all understand how the word tear down time work. Okay, we had to tear the engine down, sludge all over the cam sensor. This could cause problems. So the thinking now becomes, do you write up 2 heads or you write up an engine? Guys, because keep in mind, that sludge buildup is likely in the oil pan. It's likely in the block area also. So by just replacing 2 heads, what are you doing about the internals of the engine? Okay, there's main bearings, there's rod bearings down there. There's a lot of bearings inside of here. All right, so you got to keep all that in mind. So here come the fellas, guys. I'm gonna let y'all hear a little loud discussion. Try to bleep out all this ridiculous conversation, but stay tuned. Let's get it.
What's the word? This cam low up, and this one somewhere up in here. But this sludge.
It's got sludge build up?
Yeah, look at that. Around the boat. See?
Come on, man.
This car got what?
Oh my God, man.
Oh, man.
I mean,
73,000 miles.
Who's not changing their oil? This is the
73,000 miles, bro, and the engine look like this.
damn for
You need the timing cover, gasket replaced. This thermostat.
I heard we
like
put a head
started.
on it. We put the other side head on it.
Head on the left side, and it need another head.
Oh.
Because it's leaking out the exhaust valve on this head and misfiring. So, and then
What
I
you-
need brakes,
ooh,
tires.
look at that.
I ain't even looked at the bottom of the car.
Damn. What is that noise?
That's the rocker, broken rocker.
No, that's the rocker on.
Oh my
That's
God.
how loose it is. This gonna
It's not
dub
supposed to be
down
that
into the
loose.
cam bad, and then back.
Oh,
there
I don't
is
even
just-
feel a lobe. The lobe is almost on it, but
the
it's
lobe on each side is dug into. It literally just got a little bit in the middle. So
what you gonna write up an engine or the both heads
he want me to kind of pamper this up, but
to shut it up? Cause this will shut it up.
This is tapping, so I know that'll fix it. This is misfire.
Oh, you got a misfire on?
Yeah, I got misfire for
Bank
a
2.
cylinder head, and then I got a tapping. But
It's still
looking
under
at
warranty.
this-
You can get a head,
Yeah, I know this warranty.
right?
So I mean, I can fix all this.
Oh
shit.
yeah.
But it's like the way this is looking, we at 73,000 miles. Try to go another 20, 30,000 miles. What's she gonna be looking like then if she ain't even take care of it at 73,000 miles?
You know they came out. Is
Yeah,
it 5,000? I got the tool for that.
JT,
Where
that's
that
a
shit come
spark
off?
Spark plug. It's supposed to stay inside the
Yeah,
valve
it's
cover.
Oh.
That's how you know she ain't never changed it.
That was all right.
Yeah.
I was about to say, what the fuck was that?
Sludge holding that bitch on there.
Damn.
Hey, so look, let's put this in JT video.
What?
So JT says to keep this motor,
I call it an engine, sir. I don't
to
use
keep,
the term.
to keep this engine and not come out the pocket paying for another motor. Just make sure you keep up the maintenance now.
That's it, man.
10:30 and 5:30.
Yeah, but the way they build the engine,
Right.
and the oil we use is
Right.
supposed to be fine.
It's supposed to be 5.
It used to be
0,
6,000.
020, 520.
This is 520.
Yeah, it's 5,000.
Even
Every
with the
5,000 miles.
530 we use still, it's supposed
Yeah,
to still
even
be
with
about
5,000, yeah. I mean 5,000, 530. I know back in the day, 530 and 1030 used to be.
Oh, dude, that's
3,000.
sludge.
Yeah, that shit.
That's sludge in there.
Ugly, bro.
Holy
Oh my
crap.
God.
You taking a
Only
chance.
reason
That's
this
the
ain't-
PCV, huh?
Only
Yeah.
reason this not
See how heavy it is?
Yeah. Only reason this not sludge because it's still in the head.
Yeah, that's the PCV got sludge.
Oh, yeah, it would be if it, yeah.
You seen this? It's sludge down in the boat.
Well, so somebody done already did X56.
I don't know if it was the recall or not.
Yeah, it had to be X56. I guarantee you.
So look, that's sludge. All that you see on top of the boats,
Yep.
that's sludge. So what I'm saying is,
So
if
how
I
you
can
get that
see
stuff?
this, what's
Oh,
back
you
behind
ain't
this,
lying.
I don't
You ain't
know
never
what-
lying. That
Yeah,
cover.
So I'm like, shit, that whole job is a risk. And
Damn
then
sure.
the only thing that I'm doing is digging into the engine. So anything have, y'all just cylinder head and this and that and that and shit. Nah, you ain't even changing your oil. There ain't
All
no-
this shit come from not changing your oil.
Yeah, bro.
Sludge buildup.
Sludge buildup.
She on went a whole oil change cycle past. Like the way this look.
This
that
a
mean
lady?
She on went.
Wait, so what's wrong with her? This shit. What's it doing?
So
This shit
it's tapping and then it's misfire.
Misfire.
Misfire over in this side.
Yeah, so
What a
But they say
misfire.
They just put a
misfire for
head on
the
here.
exhaust valve.
We just put a head on here.
Who put a head
Yeah,
on?
I did a leakage test. It got like
You
65.
know who put the head on?
I don't know.
The head only go on one
They
way,
did it
so
like
right,
a year ago.
right. You
So
can't
it
screw
just-
that
it
up.
just ended up failing again. I thought they had superseded these parts and fixed that issue.
What
when
year
we
is
was
it?
putting the new heads on. I thought they
Oh.
had fixed the valve issue.
I see what
with
you're
the
saying.
new heads, but I guess not. So this, like I said, 65% leakage. Like it ain't get nowhere near.
How did you have? How was you so sure the valves was closed if you still got the valve train
What I
intact?
did on here, I put it top dead center with a long screwdriver,
Right.
and then just spent it over. Put the leakage tool down in there,
Right.
and then as soon as I know everything's top dead center, my valves closed. Put it in there. I see my gauge go up to 65%, and then I go to the back because I checked up here. You're supposed to check intake right there.
See if it's
Crank
closed.
case with the valve cover still on. I went back to the back and you can feel the air coming out the exhaust.
I be paranoid. I always lift up on my cams and make sure the valves are closed because
Somebody used to tell me, they used to be like, make sure you got all the valves closed, take everything apart, but
there's
you can't do it because
You
it's gonna
can't.
spin them. It's gonna spin the motor.
Yeah, it's gonna spin
and
the
then
engine
you're
up.
gonna mess up something. You're gonna have to pull off this whole time because.
If she don't get this shit fixed in time, it's
Let
gonna
me
be
say it like this. This actually ain't as concerning as I've seen. This is like just starting type sludge that we see up here. I've seen it to where everything's covered, bro. Like the cam, everything.